Hi guys, and welcome back. Puerto Rico Gran Canaria. It's a beautiful, beautiful beach. Hi guys. Hola. Yeah, as I said there, I opened up the video looking into Puerto Rico, the main beach there in Puerto Rico. So yeah, where Puerto Rico is just down the southern part of Gran Canaria, and I'd have to say it's probably the second most popular area to play the Ingles and Mas Palomas if I combine them two together. But yeah, it's really amazing. But what we'll do is we're just going to walk from the beach up past the main sort of area where all the bars and restaurants are. Alright, so yeah, without wasting any more time, let's go on. Alright.
¿En serio?
Okay, now. What works better, a goal or a step over?
Just wondering if any is can spot your hotel. If you spot the hotel you stayed in, guys, drop it in the comments down below. I've never actually stayed here in Puerto Rico, but I imagine it's some job getting to those ones at the top there on foot.
될 것 같다.
That one up there is, I'm not too sure if you can see it on your screen. Puerto Feliz. So you got a McDonald's here as well. So that's one of two McDonald's. There's a McDonald's here, and straight up that road that you're looking up now, there's another McDonald's for another 5 minutes walk up that way, up towards that. There's a new shopping mall up there. But we'll have a look up here and see if there's anything worth having a look at. It's probably a bit early, but let's have a look. I'm sure this place is packed. You've seen the amount of people down there on the beach. I'm sure this place is packed at night times. More copyright. You got some bars and restaurants all around here. Yeah, maybe I'll walk through here in no time. It's just going to be loaded with copyright material. So you got what looks like another steakhouse over there. Looks sort of more like an outdoorsy one. It's always nice eating outdoors when you're away. The apartments, they have the sort of blue blue stripes on them. I thought they were roofs, but they're not. I look down at the balcony base and a roof. They're nice, aren't they? They wouldn't be too high. So this is all still part of that shopping mall. We got all the key rings and souvenirs and boomerangs. Who would have guessed? But yeah, there's another new supermarket. I'm gonna walk towards it. I think it's up here a little bit. But with these ones here, probably they're supporting locals really. Where the one up here is all brands like Bershka and all JDs and I'm sure he's all familiar with some of these bars. Guys, if you come here on holidays, let us know in the comments. I'm always keen to hear where you all have been, or do you like it, do you not like it, let us know. You can see stairs there running up the side of that, and that road as well. Imagine climbing this. They keep you fit anyway. See this hotel? Yeah, this is the hotel for me. There's an escalator, look at it. It's probably not even a hotel, it looks like a bar. Yeah, but they have the idea. Come in here and we'll bring you upstairs. Yeah, it looks like it's like a cocktail bar or something. Yeah, the Tipsy Bee. I'll just turn around right now. Oh, it's just a complete outlet. You know, it's not just that. There's different grills and restaurants up there. So here's this new shopping mall where it says Hola. So it's there's a lot to do really when you consider I just walked a small bit from the beach past the old shore of shopping area into the new sort of shopping area. Well guys, as you can see, I'm absolutely sweating. Baked. Absolutely roasting. Well, there you go guys, that's sort of the main sort of strip in Puerto Rico, from the beach up to this new shopping area past the old town. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed that walk. If you have to guys, please give us that like, and yeah, let us know where you're watching from and stuff like that. And if you're new to the channel, you are very welcome. And if you are new, please subscribe. Yeah, alright. Well, until next week. Adios. Peace.